Hello, my name is Margit Restas and I'm a product manager at Emerson. Today I am going to show you how to run proof tests on the Rosemount 5408 and Rosemount 3408 non-contacting level transmitters. Proof test wizards enable you to confirm and validate the reliability and safety performance of your transmitter while it remains installed on a tank without requiring any prior knowledge. To perform this proof test, we will use a hard modem, an ammeter, AMS Device Configurator, the latest FDI package, and the Rosemount 5408 or Rosemount 3408 level transmitter with the latest gauge software and smart proof test package enabled. After establishing connection to your device using the FDI package, you will land on the Overview page. Click Rosemount Radar Master Plus and navigate to the proof test under Service Tools. Here you will find a complete list of the available proof test procedures, which will offer you easy-to-follow guidance. In this example, we will run a 2-point analog output and 1-point level verification. Proof test A. After selecting it, you will access the first analog output verification. Click Set Device Output to 4 mA. Make sure to read the warning message before clicking Yes. The dynamic graphics illustrate how the device output changes to the simulated 4 mA. Now, let's measure the loop current. Enter the measured value in the loop current text field and click Next to evaluate whether the current deviation is within the acceptable limits. The wizard will assist you with calculating the deviation. Once done, click Next. We have now moved on to the second analog output verification. Here you will proceed with the same actions as before, but this time testing the loop current at 20 mA. Repeat the loop current measurement and evaluate the acceptability of the calculated deviation. The last step in this proof test is level verification. The device has resumed normal operation and is now outputting measurement values corresponding to the product surface again. Now, obtain an independent level measurement for verification. Make sure that the level is within the measuring range before entering the value. Then click Next. Evaluate the acceptability of the calculated deviation. Once done, click Next and you will see a summary of your proof test with a pass or fail indication along with an easy to read and understand overview of the test. For documentation purposes, you can print a report. You have now completed the proof test and you can click Finish to go back to the menu screen. The results from the latest proof test are saved in the onboard memory and can be viewed at any time. As you have just seen, it is very easy to run proof tests on a Rosemount 5408 and Rosemount 3408 level transmitters. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.